Greetings, everybody. Welcome back to Onesixtyfourland with another one of these guys, right? This is the Amazon black box. It is, I believe this is going to be the A, B, C, D, E, F, probably the G case. And I'm not sure what's in the G case. And I was going to review it before I opened this, but I figured, you know what? Let's be surprised together, right? So this came today. Was the most recent one that was available. It was supposed to come in May, but you know, Amazon shipped it earlier than expected. So let's see what we got, okay? All right, so G case. It's supposed to be all the new cars, right? The newer cars, for the new to the case cars. So we have the 88 Honda CRX in this gray. It's matte gray. It's got a red interior. It's got deco on the back. The side deco there. Pretty sharp, like the gold wheels. Nice. Very good. Next up is 88 Jeep Wagoneer. This is the recolor, right? So it's all black now. The first one was just was it gray on the bottom or gray on the top? I don't remember. So pretty neat. That's G case too, by the way. There you go, G case. All right, next up is the 64 Nova Wagon Gasser. This is cool, the Super Nova. It's in purple. It's got a purpley windows there. Pretty neat. I always like this casting, right? Got the exhaust dumping right from the right behind the front wheels. Got those thin front wheels there. So pretty neat. Nice card art. Excellent. All right, so next up is 72 Ford Ranchero. This is an art car. Pretty neat. This one's got the V on top. I haven't figured out what it's trying to spell. I haven't really given it any thought though. It's also got a V right here, of course. So very cool. All right, next up we have the Fiat 500e. Now, this didn't start out as a 500e, right? This started out as just a 500. And so I'm not sure exactly what they did. There's a little badge right there. Maybe they got rid of the exhaust because it does say 500e on the bottom. 2018. So I'll have to compare it to the original one. So pretty neat. Next up, this is cool. Porsche Taycan Turbo S in green here. Like it. Good detailing on the back. Says Turbo S on the license plate. Good detailing on the front there. Nice casting. All right, next up is the Nissan Z, the 2023 Nissan Z in red. This is a color, right? The first one was in blue, which is probably still the best color it comes in. But the red's pretty sharp. I don't mind it. It's got the nice color break with the plastic roof there. So, looks good. All right, next up over here is the Gotta Go in orange. My son will like this. He loves orange cars. It's a toilet. Makes little clack clack noises when you push it along. The seat flaps, right? So you can kind of see right here. Special feature. So cool. Not bad. Next up is the X34 Landspeeder here. So this is Star Wars, right? This was originally released, what, 2 years ago? It's probably pretty similar. I don't think I ever bought it. Maybe it's got battle damage now. Who knows? Who knows? Who cares? Awesome. 89 Mercedes-Benz 560 SEC AMG. This car rules. Wow. Cool. It's missing a little on the star there, but you know what? I'll get over it. It's got the sunroof that's tilted. It's pillarless, so you can see right through there. Oh, beautiful. Wide body. Yeah, I'll put that on the special side there. Next up, we have the Batmobile in red, a little crimson here. I don't know what this one is. It's got a little bat face to it, I guess. All right, care about that. The solar reflex, right? The Earth Day car, pretty cool. All right, I can see right now there's no supers in here, so let's got the Mazda Ripu in this teal color. Is this a recolor? I don't think so. I think this is the first time this is here. Rotary power, no details in the back, all on the side and on the top there. Cool. All right, next up, skate grom, guy on a skateboard. Okay, cool, I guess. Baja Bison T5, this is new for 2023. This is kind of cool. Is it a metal chassis? It's gotta be. Cool. It's almost like a Dakar truck. Rally truck, water cool battery system. So an EV rally truck. All right, cool. And lastly is the Rally Speziale, right? Also new for 2023. I think this has already been out, right? Or maybe it's new in this kit. Who cares? Cool. All right, excellent. So let's just take one more look at this. Well done, Hot Wheels. Well done. All right, again, Amazon Black Box, G case. Big surprise right here. 2 thumbs up. Thanks for viewing. Check out the other Amazon videos and all my other videos. Like, subscribe, all that nonsense. Catch you on the flip side.